The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito had expressed its dissatisfaction on the border agreement between Assam and Meghalaya that was signed yesterday, the 29th of March 2022, between Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Speaking to media persons, the president of Hito, Dakhar, said that the Meghalaya government and the district council do not have a proper map of the state. He also informed that the border settlement was done depending only on the HIMARS for documents and that the map that they had approved was based on the Google map and not on actual survey by the state. Hito's president therefore urged upon traditional heads to submit complaints to the Supreme Court on this very issue, otherwise the small state of Meghalaya will be further cut into size.
Kilashu abbe ke hima naga kiyo ki kot kisla de naga hima deng benta ka regional committee ki ongma henry hindel apet pat kum ko Google map kishu shimbit naga Google map yaga Meghalaya na ba ki survey sha maki kilashu ya draw kat bomon te da pichek ru bon ka benta ka badai jong ka Meghalaya kilashu do ai te haba kum ni balik kum nong nyero ya sarkar bat ngangi scam bat ni kenturu yaki kle no senchar yaki siem yaki hima bapher baki dei ban ujor no Supreme Court ya kan ka phang lum kumta ke jalla ga jongi nabarit kanang rit chu